Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 12:15 a.m. At 11:23 p.m., a shower was located near Great Egg Reef, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: coastal observations indicate wind gusts of 34 to 42 knots near Ocean City with the passage of the shower in the past 15 minutes. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Ship Bottom, Great Egg Inlet, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Beach Haven, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Bowie G, Brigantine and Harvey Cedars. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.